What is up, you guys? Today we are gonna do 24 hours in our truck, and well,
there's gonna be a gaming fort on it inside. That's what's gonna be special about it. There's gonna be a gaming fort. We bought a little fan so it won't get that hot. We're gonna have the windows open as well, so it won't get even hotter. But we also got a bag of chips, like this little bags of chips, and a TV and the computer. Like the last video, where we watch movies, play video games, the usual. You already know. So right now, our current progress on the fort is here. From the current progress.
Here's the current progress. This is what we've been working with for a few minutes.
Yeah, we only have a few minutes. We have the electricity already over here. Let's go over here.
We have electricity.
We have the electricity right here.
We have electricity going up there and there. It has this over there. We've been working for this for a whole week. So we can grind, record. Here's the bud. There's Bud. You got anything to say?
Huh? No, that's it. That's it.
That's it. We'll see you when it's
ready
night.
to set up.
Guys, this is a Savage Gaming crib that we have here. We have the AKA Savage Gaming Productions crib. We have the Xbox One S.
X.
Damn. Yeah, look at this shit.
It's an X, not an S.
Then we have Sonic over here. We have Sonic. No sponsors, but by the way. Over here we got the mini fridge. Now we have the mini air. And over here we got the tower. We got the tower, bro. It's twin. Over here we have the Mountain Dew. No sponsors, way. Over here we got the pillows. Right here we got the earphones. And that's it, guys. That is our crib. That is our crib. See you at night. What is up, guys? Right now it's almost midnight. It's 4:44.
8:44 p.m.
8:44.
Yeah.
It's 8:44 p.m.
Yeah. So it's almost night. There's still a sunset outside.
Yeah,
but
have beautiful.
The gaming fort is already done. We got the Xbox right there. We got the TV, the computer. So we're just watching Ghost Adventures, and the little fan right there, just tilting some air, barely, whatever. And we still got the mountain of chips here. So
that is it.
Yep.
We'll see you when it's already night and the scary things come out.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the well that Carl, the old maintenance guy, discovered one day and found a piece of a human skull.
Yeah.
He found a piece of a human skull right here in this ground. And as you can see, they had to tear up the floorboards to remove all its demonic attacks on the living, including his own, which ended in an exorcism. In camera. Is there somebody here? Why don't you come up out of that ground and come and get us?
Fucking retard.
Where's he going?
Oh.
Should I open this one a little bit?
Are you in here with me, guys?
And my whole back is burning.
Where?
Just on my back.
Turn
I
around.
don't feel good. Like,
Oh, yeah, oh, that was an accident.
Here, Chen. Here, turn
You
around.
got
Turn
one
around.
witness.
I can't
I
see.
just don't feel good right now, guys.
You all right?
No, I don't know.
I bring the
don't know.
juices,
I just,
I said.
feel dizzy and I just feel weird. I feel burning right here. I feel burning right here. Right here. It's like burning. Is there anything in here? There's no? It's somewhere around here.
Oh my God!
What?
What? Stay, turn around. Just stay there. I need to document this.
What is it?
Stay there.
What is it?
Stop moving. Okay, scratch. It's a scratch.
What do you mean?
Aaron, turn your mic.
You need that through?
Where? It's on your back.
Alright guys, we're watching Ghost Adventures for like 50 minutes. Now we're watching, this is the end. It's another funny movie we're gonna watch. And then we're gonna play some Xbox right now. Yeah.
I'm a well-known homosexual advocate.
What are you doing?
I need a break. Oh, you know what? Actually, we should go to Franco's house soon.
You know how to make it lighter? Like just make it look brighter?
I haven't even
on
seen
it.
it yet, but it's
And then
supposed
you're
to
gonna
be
go like this.
bonkers.
I haven't been in LA in
Makes
like
it
a
look
year, and I came here to chill with you.
We can chill together, and we'll chill with those other guys. We'll all chill as one big unit.
Will I even know anybody there?
You know James Franco?
James Franco doesn't even know my name.
Jonah Hill will be there.
Can't stand him, he can't stand me.
He's like the nicest guy in the world. He likes you so much. He specifically talks about how he likes you.
Guys, the movie's almost done. I don't know what time it is right now. I think it is. It's 10:05. Wait, can't see it. 10:05. And so far, we've just been watching movies. We got the little fan right there. It's actually pretty helpful. So I'll see you when we move on to the next thing. Alright guys, we're going to sleep. It's been a long day, a hot night. We just watched some movies and now we started to sleep. So we'll see you in the morning when we're good to go or whatever. We have a little fan here, so it's kind of but we'll see you in the morning. Alright guys, it is morning already. As you can see, the sunny outside and it's been fresh, you know, just been relaxing here, and it wasn't that bad. It was actually pretty comfortable all night since the fan's pretty fast, you know, it's giving a lot of air. Good thing to the fan, you know. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Yeah.
To love the pain, we come from different places, but have the same name, 'cause we